Welcome to another little Alan's review. No hot sauce, or not even a challenge. Let's say here is 2 packets of crisps, chips, however you might say about them. Now, as a product I have reviewed last year when I was on holiday, I got the blue version, and these two have just landed in my local shop, and I just had to get them. So what are they? Well, it's the Takis, right? Here is the Volcano, and here is the Fuego. So I'm going to actually review them both today, because honestly, I don't think they're going to do anything for me with heat, right? So let's start with the Volcano, right? As I say, I did do the blue version. Apart from turning my mouth blue, that was it. There was nothing there even lit me up. So this here says it is a mild, right? Now I've seen these on the local interweb, people doing little reviews of them and saying, oh, they're hot, and some saying they're not hot. So I'm going to give my review on it. And it says here with the Fuego, it says there, you can see it there, extreme. Yeah, right. If it's anything like the flaming hot range we get over here, that'll be a flaming disgrace. But let's see. So, as I say, the Volcano. The ingredients, I'm just going to look to see what's in here. Chili flavour seasoning, paprika extract, and that's about it. Nothing here that says it's going to be hot. But some here is just actually, I noticed, I actually thought Takis was American. But they're actually made in Spain. Okay, there you go. So what we have, got a lovely aroma coming from it. I like that. I'll give it that much. And you can see it there. Now I will say one thing, right? That is well coated. But let's see how it tastes. Got a cheesy flavour to it. I'll tell you what. I like them on flavour alone. They're nice. Anyway. Cannot fault the Volcano on flavour. They're crunchy. I'll tell you what, they're spot on with the flavour. Got right cheesiness to them. Heat, absolutely zero. Okay, not even mild. I think anybody could take them. Right. It's not even giving me a little tingle on the tongue. But flavour, love it. I'll keep getting them. They're really, really nice. So let's go over to the extreme range. The Fuego. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Chili and lime flavoured seasoning, paprika extract. The only thing it says in there is nothing. It's going to say extreme. But it does say chili and lime. Like it. So, remember now, extreme. Not getting the same hit with the aroma. You're getting more of a, definitely getting like a lime coming from it. Again, you can see them there, well coated. You're definitely getting the lime from it. Really packed with flavour as well. You know what I'm going to say. Extreme. It's not even giving me a tingle. But got a lovely flavour to it. I can't fault them. Any of these two with flavour. If I was to pick one, then now between two of them for flavour, that Volcano is spot on. You get like a cheesiness from it, which I really do enjoy. The Fuego, you're definitely picking up the lime. It's hard to pick, but I'm going to go, just doing this slight review. The Fuego is first for me, then that. On flavour alone. On heat, false advertising. I know they are a supermarket product, so you're not going to get the same heat level as how we get the challenges and the sauces and things like that, right? Because they're specifically made to that. But the bit that gets me, as I've always said, if someone says to me it's flaming hot, I'm not looking for it to be Can Reaper heats, right? But I'm looking to get a burn, right? Which I don't get with the flaming hot range. That there, saying it's extreme or mild. Again, it's not. I think anybody, I'm actually going to say it to the wife later on, just to try both of those and let us see how she does it. She does not do chili stuff at all. As I say, if that was extreme, I was expecting to get a tingle of the tongue. I haven't. Nothing. Honestly. Nothing at all. The mild one, I was just eating it as a normal, everyday snack. But what I will say is flavour, Takis, those two are absolutely spot on with flavour. And that Volcano, wow. Love the cheesiness from it. Well done in that bit. But change the heat levels in both of them, please. Bring them down. Always enjoy this one, guys. I'm going to finish those Volcano ones just shortly. And I'll see you all later. Bye.